Welcome to the English department for Tallwood High School. We consist of 19 teachers teaching 20 levels and variations of literature, writing, and speaking. At each grade level, we teach students based on a citywide curriculum to be informed, critically thinking citizens. Let's take a look at our teams.
Our English 9 team consists of Mrs. Mayo and Ms. Culliver. Our English 10 team consists of Ms. Rapole, Mrs. Gonzalez, Mrs. Fisher, and Mrs. Tuckerman. Our English 11 team consists of Mr. Dowdy, Miss Comer, Mrs. Tuckerman, and Mrs. Fisher. Additionally, Mrs. Tuckerman and Mr. Dowdy teach AP 11. For those graduating soon, our English 12 team consists of Mr. Payne, Mrs. Cherry, Mrs. Orvitz, and Mrs. Free. Additionally, Mr. Payne teaches AP 12, and Mrs. Free teaches our dual enrollment course. Students enrolled in the Global Studies and World Language Academy learn English from Mr. Denver and Mr. DeMott. Our specialists include Mrs. Pagan, Ms. Monroe, Mrs. Roberts, Mrs. Hall, and Ms. Gavin.
Access to content, assignments, and assessments online through the familiar Schoology learning management system provides students and parents with comfortable navigation throughout the site. Students can access textbooks and school news through Schoology as well. If you have Parent View access to view your child's grades, you now have access to Schoology for Parents, or Parent Portal. You can view exactly what your child uses for online learning. You can find all posted assignments and content and reference documents on this site. Please send us an email if you have any questions or concerns. We thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our school year together.